Now that we've completed our resume cover letter, we're going to start our resume. Go to the Windows Office Start button, select New. When the new document dialog box opened up, we want to select Installed Templates. From Installed Templates, we want to scroll down towards the bottom to find the Origin Resume. Once we select it, we can view the Origin Resume's format right here, and then we select Create. Now, when it opens up, we will need to change the name right here in this box to that as the same as our cover letter. Okay, now that we have this selected up here where the name goes, we need to type in Lana Halima Kanan. Okay. Our next step, we're going to select this right here at the top. With the insertion point at the top of the document, click the Layout ribbon. Click the Delete button. And we want to delete the rows. Okay, now we're at the top. Now, here in our resume, we're to type our address, our phone number, our email, and our web address. Now, to make this easier, we need to open up our other Word document, and then we're going to hit the Home tab. We're going to click Clipboard to open up our clipboard. Okay. Now, your clipboard is probably empty. So what we're going to do first is we're going to come over and we're going to highlight the address. Then we're going to do copy. Now when we copy, you notice it puts it in our list over here. Now we're going to come over and copy our phone number. We're going to hit copy. All right, now we have two items on our clipboard. And lastly, we're going to highlight our email address, the lhc@world.net, and then we're going to click copy here. Now we have three items on our clipboard. Now we can go back to our Word document and open it back up. Alright, so then we come over where it says type your address. We're going to hit the clipboard drop down button. We will select our address, 22 Fifth Street, Juniper, Nevada. Alright, and as you see, it inserts it automatically. Alright, we want to do the same for our phone. Come over, select, inserts it, and our email address. We add the email. Okay, so now we have all that. Now we currently don't have a website, so we're going to highlight this, and then we're going to hit the delete key in the top right hand corner of our keyboard. Our next step is to add the objectives of our resume. We do this by locating objectives. Okay, but before we do that, we want to put our cursor right here behind objectives. Up here at the top of the page layout, we need to change our spacing after to 0. What this does, as you see, is it brings it up. Now it's nice and tight. Now select the box and we will begin typing our objective. Okay, as you can see, we've added our objective, and that's to obtain a full-time culinary instructor position with a culinary academy, school, or institute in the Juniper area. Next, we want to come down and select education. We want to go back up to the page layout tab, and we want to change that spacing. Okay, now we've got our objective listed. Next in order, we need to go down and fix our spacing below in our other sections. So we need to put our cursor next to education, go up to our ribbon, page layout, and spacing after needs to be 0. And as before, it brings it up close. Now the next, we want to insert the degree we have, the completion date, and then a list of accomplishments. Okay, now to speed things up, I'm just going to paste in what we have to type. Okay. So as you see, we've added it. We select each thing and we type in what we have to have. Now, this right here, there we go. As you can see, our education is a BS in Culinary Arts from Nevada Culinary Institute in May 2008. Some accomplishments are the Dean's List, 6 semesters, Moeller Nutrition Award January 2008, the Mardre Outstanding Student Scholarship, the Baker Food Preparation Contest, and then it has the areas of concentration. Next, we will move on to experience. In our experience section, we will add the job title, the start date, the end date, the company name, and the company address. Okay, now you can see what our completed resume looks like. Our completed resume will end up on one page. The objectives, education, experience, and skills. Okay, now this should be enough to get you started. Remember that the directions for completing these tasks, as shown here in this resume, begin on Chapter 3 of the Words section of your textbook, creating a cover letter and resume. The pages begin on page WD 184. Hope this helps.